Today I'll be showing you some of the basic features of the DWASH Work in Progress or WIP Screen. The WIP Screen is your central hub for everything DWASH. From this dialog, users can view, sort, and filter all in-house orders. Along with that, the WIP Screen is the starting point for receiving, quoting, processing, and shipping orders in DWASH. Let's get started. What you're seeing is the DWASH WIP Screen with the Home tab selected. The icons displayed along the toolbar will vary based on the logged-in user's permission settings. As I am currently logged in with the full administrator privileges, all available icons are being displayed. For today, we'll focus on the WIP Screen tabs and columns. Below the toolbar, you'll see that I currently have 5 WIP Screen tabs opened. These each represent a user-customized display of information. So for this example, I've got orders, batches, a shipping department tab, a tab for only Boeing orders, and the DWASH Dashboard tab. These tabs and screens can be added, removed, and customized by each user to give better visual awareness to every shop. To add a tab to your WIP screen, simply select the View tool group. From here, you can add a basic order screen by selecting Work in Progress. Additionally, you can add a batch tab, DWASH Dashboard, or view orders on hold. This is also the dialog to delete or rename a tab and turn on the DWASH presentation mode. Presentation mode will cycle through all DWASH tabs at a user-defined increment. Now that we know how to add additional tabs to our screen, let's look into the capabilities of the WIP screen itself. Each column in the WIP screen represents a set of order data. Each row represents an order. To decide which data columns are displayed on the WIP screen, select the Field Chooser icon in the upper left-hand corner. This dialog will display all available column options. From here, you can check or uncheck your desired data fields for your personalized WIP screen. Any customer-specific or bulk custom fields added in the Customer Manager will be added to the Field Chooser as a WIP Screen column option as well. Once you have selected the fields to be displayed on your WIP screen, you can begin to organize the layout. First, we'll start by arranging our columns. Clicking and dragging a column header will allow you to reorganize your WIP screen fields into any desired configuration. Now that our columns are in place, let's focus on the data they contain. I'll start with our work orders column. By clicking on the header row of each column, I can sort my whole WIP screen by this field. So by clicking my work orders header, I can sort my WIP screen sequentially by work order number. Below the header in each column is a dialog to filter your column data. This can be accompanied by dropping down the combo box and choosing the field to filter by, or by clicking to the left of the combo box and typing the name you wish to filter. So, for this example, if my desire is to only view my Boeing customers, I can open the menu and select Boeing, or simply begin typing Boeing and DWASH will automatically fill in viable options. After sorting one column on the WIP screen, you may also sort again using the data in any of the other visible columns. So after narrowing my search down to just Boeing customers, I can now sort by current department, work status, or estimated shipping date. Sorting, filtering, and redesigning of this nature can be done on each new WIP screen tab you create. At best of all, these customizations to your WIP screen will be saved, so that the next time you logged in, your screens look exactly as you left it. Keep in mind that these tabs can be created and saved to show things like specific customer orders, late orders, orders by department, expedited orders, or even your own custom fields. To remove a single column filter or all filters, select the Remove Filter icon next to each column, or remove the filter icon in the upper left-hand corner to remove all filters. If you notice in the Work Order, Part, and Process columns, the values are displayed in blue. This indicates that they are hyperlinks from the WIP screen. Clicking on a work order number will open a quick view dialog to review any order-specific information, including a tab to view order processes, and also an option to view or print documents. Hovering your cursor above the Part column will display a thumbnail picture of the part for quick reference. Clicking the hyperlink will open a quick view dialog for part information. In the Process column, a hyperlink will be illuminated only if the part is in process as a work status. Selecting the hyperlink will allow you to view process data for this order. Also in the Process column, you may see a magic hat or filter icon. The magic hat icon lets the user know that this order is in a batch and should remain as such. Selecting the filter icon will filter the WIP screen by all similar processes. The Status column contains two similar shortcut icons that will allow you to check in or process an order by clicking the shortcut in the order row. In the upper right corner of your WIP screen is an optional statistics window. Clicking the arrow icon will display useful daily metrics, including late orders and orders due today and in the next 3 days. Also shown in this window are the numbers of parts or orders in quarantine, internal and external rework, and on hold. The settings menu at the bottom of the screen allows you to choose whether to display your statistics by part or orders. The DWASH Dashboard I showed in the beginning of this video is a useful tool to provide order data at a glance. The dashboard contains 10 different graphics to display relevant, real-time shop data. Each graph has a settings icon to adjust graph data and timelines. Just like the WIP screen, these can be organized any way you wish. If you have any questions about the WIP screen, please give us a call or visit us at www.getdwas.com.